Good morning everyone, I am Vishal Fatma and I am Multan. Let's start our presentation with the holy name of Allah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We are gathered here to celebrate World Kindness Day. It is a global day that promotes the importance of being kind to each other. Hey young man, would you please pay my report? Yes, sure, sir. Oh God, there's a hole in this board. I should fix it. It's just for them. Daddy. Daddy, can you go for a solution? Yes, you can. Oh God, what should I do? How did I forget about the hole in my board? Daddy, we had a great time. Thank God you are safe. My children, I forgot to tell you about the hole in my board. Sir, I think you forgot we had an agreement of 500 rupees. You are giving me more. Return your invite 300 only. I forgot to tell you about the hole in my board. A wonderful message is given through this act. Even our tiniest good act could bring a big difference in someone's life. Greet someone with a cup of coffee. Reach out to a family member. Go slightly outside of the comfort zone. Share a compliment with a coworker or friend. The world is full of kind people. Spread a greetings to a friend or family member. As we are celebrating World Kindness Day, the two Bounteous invite you to look forward to make kindness your note in your daily life.